5, you ready? We're doing this one together now. Let's go. There's a spark when the morning breaks. Every Cub Scout what it takes. We build, we grow, we light that flame. Together strong, we make our way. Every laugh, every shout, every cheer. You can feel that spirit here. Hand in hand through storm and weather. We don't fall, no, rise together. We're stronger together, side by side. Hearts like thunder, full of pride. From the field to the fire's glow. Everywhere we lead, that spirit shows. Gang 335, forever we stand. One big family, hand in hand. Through every trial, through every endeavor, we shine as one. Stronger together. Flags fly high in the morning sun. Every dream's just begun. We lift each other when times get rough. A little heart is always enough. We come so far, and the road's still wide. Brave and loyal, side by side. The journey's long, we're built to weather. We are the pack, stronger together. We teach the young to light the way, to serve with kindness every day. The world feels big, but hearts are clever. We face it all, stronger together. From dinner path, from Cub to Scout, that's what this spirit's all about. Carry that flame, now and forever. The fire lives on. Stronger together. We're stronger together, side by side. Hearts like thunder, full of pride. From the field to the fire's glow. Everywhere we lead, that spirit shows. Gag 335, forever we stand. One big family, hand in hand. The flame keeps burning, now and forever. We shine as one, stronger together. Step by step, we find our way. Through every night, through every day. When one heart stumbles, the rest pull through. That's what family means.